how your heart pumps blood, the incredible machine keeping you alive. Have you ever wondered how your heart can beat over 100,000 times every single day without ever taking a break? Right now, as you're watching this video, your heart is tirelessly pumping blood through nearly 100,000 kilometers, about 60,000 miles of blood vessels. But how does this incredible organ actually work? And what would happen if it stopped for just a few minutes? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand one of the most amazing systems inside the human body. The human heart is a powerful muscular organ, roughly the size of your clenched fist. It sits slightly to the left of the center of your chest, protected by your rib cage. Although it isn't very large, it is one of the hardest working organs in your body. Your heart has 4 chambers. The 2 upper chambers are called the right atrium and left atrium, while the 2 lower chambers are the right ventricle and left ventricle. Each chamber has a specific job, and together they ensure that oxygen-rich blood reaches every part of your body, while oxygen-poor blood is sent to the lungs. Let's follow a single drop of blood on its incredible journey. Imagine that your body has just used up the oxygen in its blood while producing energy. This oxygen-poor blood begins traveling back toward the heart through large veins called the vena cava. It enters the first chamber, the right atrium. As the right atrium fills with blood, it contracts gently, pushing the blood through a one-way valve called the tricuspid valve. This valve opens to let blood move forward, but closes immediately afterward, preventing any backward flow. The blood now enters the right ventricle, a strong muscular chamber. Once it fills completely, the right ventricle contracts with much greater force, pushing blood through another one-way valve called the pulmonary valve and into the pulmonary arteries. Unlike most arteries, the pulmonary arteries carry oxygen-poor blood. They transport it directly to the lungs. Inside the lungs, something amazing happens. Tiny air sacs called alveoli allow oxygen from the air you breathe to move into your blood while carbon dioxide leaves your blood and is exhaled. Within seconds, the blood changes from oxygen-poor to oxygen-rich. Now the freshly oxygenated blood returns to the heart through the pulmonary veins, which are unique because they carry oxygen-rich blood. This blood enters the left atrium. The left atrium contracts, pushing blood through another one-way valve called the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle is the strongest chamber in the entire heart. Its muscular walls are much thicker because it must generate enough pressure to pump blood throughout your entire body, from your brain all the way down to your toes. When the left ventricle contracts, blood is forced through the aortic valve into the aorta, the largest artery in the body. From there, oxygen-rich blood travels through an enormous network of arteries that branch into smaller arteries and tiny capillaries. Inside these capillaries, oxygen and nutrients leave the blood and enter your body's cells. At the same time, carbon dioxide and waste products enter the bloodstream to be carried away. Once this exchange is complete, the blood becomes oxygen-poor again and begins its return journey to the heart. Then the entire cycle repeats over and over, every second of your life. You might wonder what keeps this rhythm so perfectly timed. Your heartbeat is controlled by a natural pacemaker called the sinoatrial SA node. Located in the right atrium, it produces tiny electrical signals that spread across the heart muscle. These signals tell the atria